Hi guys, FX here. Um, an update on. Hi guys, FX here. An update on our trade. All right, guys, an update on our um, previous analysis, and like I said, as usual, there was a range we wanted to trade, right? There was a range we wanted to trade. There's a range we wanted to trade this range. So we wanted to see a sweep, then a sweep of that sweep, and we got everything we wanted. And then pattern, right? Go back, market structure shifts, break of structure, then following the trade with any available fair value gap or other block. And guess what, guys? We've gotten our sweep, we've gotten our pullback, sweep of the sweep, pullback. As you can see, the sweep of the sweep, then sorry, the sweep, the pullback, the sweep of the sweep, right? Let's see what the sweep got to. So we got the pullback, we got the sorry, what am I doing? This market structure shift. Don't rubbish. Sorry, guys. I got carried away. So we got our sweep, pullback, sweep of the sweep, then pullback, the pullback, that is this. After getting our pullback, we got market structure shift, which is this. Then we got the break of structure, which is what happened here. So now we're going to wait for price to pull back. So we can probably take our trade from this fair value gap here, pull back, and then push to the opposite side of the range. So let's see. Let's see what price is going to dish out for us today. As you can see, fair value gap here, fair value gap here. Just got to observe what price will do to us. Oh, what price will do with us? What price will do with us here? We are not we get buys. Let's see if we can get buys. Let's see if we can get buys. This is already so there. That's 50%. Then USD layer is around here. I'm not saying it will get there, and then eventually the 50%, or this probably might happen or might not happen. If it happens, that'll be 1:11. That'll be 1:11. So guys, there's a little bit of a problem. That is the fact that it will be safer to put SL here, right? But that's about 10 pips. That's about 100 pips SL. That's about 100 pips SL. So don't know. Is there an OB? Favor look up. Favor look up. Is it do favor look up? This price has even tapped itself. It's pushing. Is it do favor look up? There's another block around here though. Yeah, but I don't know if, I mean, I'm not seeing any fair value gap after the OB because for us to use an OB, we mostly like to see it accompanied by a fair value gap. So, not really seeing any, not even seeing any at all. But I mean, I just mean to be chiller to take the trade. I just mean engulfing candle. Well, some of the things that defines an order block for us to use is high volume, high volume, presence of fair value gap. But if we look at this, we can see the volume, but we're not seeing any fair value gap. The nearest fair value gap is up here. And if we take the trade based off this fair value gap, it's either we be stingy and put ourselves just below the fair value gap, which is just stingy, or put ourselves here. But the safest would be down here, and that is a lot of pips for us. But I guess we just have to reduce our lot size and take the trade, try and swing it. That is if price would reach here, shall I have doubts about that. But yeah, just saying. I mean, why I dragged it out that I is because of the fact that we've been having straight sales for about 1, 2, 3. This day 4 second, I was even selling. This day for selling. So I was expecting a pullback, a pullback back to about the 50% of this movement. You get that kind of thing. Since this pullback, since this pullback that happened is at the see around the fib region here. See, still around the 61.8% region of the fib, right? I mean, it's a good entry point. I'm just saying, really, price might and might not, but point is as a trader, the point is your entry and exit strategy. The point is your entry and exit strategy. What's your exit strategy? So this is a 1:6 trade. Are we willing to risk this much for an upward movement? It might not come back. It might not come back because I mean, if it does takes out this low, then that's already starting to look like a change of character again. So that will be bad. If it takes out that low, probably even just um manage our risk by reducing lot size. If that happens, we probably just manage our risk, reduce the lot size. We've applied just like close half of our open positions and just leave it to do its thing. Close half of our open position and then observe and leave it to do its thing. Yeah, so I think if we're taking this trade, we'd have to put our FL here. We have to put our SL around here and observe. And observe, I guess. So most important thing is for price to come and meet us. It's for price to come and meet us. This is like most important thing is for price to first come and meet us. It's fair value gap. It's just a very beautiful fair value gap. Like look at it. It's just a very beautiful fair value gap. Like you don't want to miss it. Beautiful fair value gap. You can see it on the 15 minutes, we can see it on the 5 minutes and 3 minutes in fact. At 3 minutes, in fact. Same region of fair value gap. We need to take our trade from here. I wouldn't want a situation where price disrespects this fair value gap. That's just it because most times I've observed that most times when price disrespects a fair value gap, the trade might go in the wrong direction. Most times when prices respect the fair value gap, trade might go in the wrong direction, or we use half of our lot size to place a limit order around here, then the remaining half around here, SLs at the same point. We could do that too. If price taps and pushes, good. If price taps, then taps, at least you tap at a cheaper price, so will not have that full SL. So like for instance now, instead of $150 loss, instead of $150 like SL, it would be, let's say we use about 0.07 here. 0.07 to down here will be about $70. From here, we put the remaining 0.07 here. From here, which is 09 to 01, which is about 80, it will be about 56. So that would be 70 plus 56, that would be 126 instead of 150 to 126. Is that, or we do it in 0.05s. Or we do a 0.07 here, we do a 0.05 here, SL same point. So 0.07 down here is about $70, like we've established before. And 0.05 from here down here is about $30, $40, give or take. That'll be about 100. So if price comes, touches here and uses here to push, we won't lose. And if price decides to take the two and use them to push, more wins. And if price decides to disregard everything and just come down here, then our loss, I guess, we take our L's and digest it for the day. So yeah, setting our pending order, setting our pending order. We've seen what would, like, prompt us to take this trade. So we'll just go ahead and take our trade. Setting the pending order. Setting the pending order. Setting the pending order. Setting the pending order. Setting our buy limits. Setting our buy limits. Like we've observed, price has showed us everything we want to see. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and take our trade. Fingers crossed. Yeah, fingers crossed. Anything can happen, guys, but at least we've been waiting, we always state, waiting patiently. I might not be 100% right, but we've observed, practice patience, right? We're waiting, making sure not to fall for any fake things and all of that, you understand? We are patient, and we discussed how to manage our risk. So everything checks out, and based on how we trade, we would take this trade. Because I mean, it it fits it fits it fits our trading. It fits our trading. What's the word? I keep forgetting the word. Just setting the pending order. Just setting the pending order. Always remember that price might not come back. That's fine. That is fine. Absolutely fine. Price does not come back. That is fine. absolutely fine. We don't own it. It owns itself. It does its thing. So ours is just to try and take decent trades. Try and take decent trades. Yes, that's the word. Decent trades. That's our job. Try to take a decent enough trade. All of this in the huge frame of things might just be a slight pullback. You understand all these things, but yeah, still are still are trying to do our thing. Still are trying to do our thing. If 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 price if price decides to be good to us, I didn't indicate there. You know these things go on YouTube, right? Eh? It goes on YouTube, is what I'm saying. They go on YouTube. So just saying, I mean, I just mean MBFX 30 in the building is a big SMC trader. It's not SMC. Yes. Chart patterns and all of that. Maybe just trade range. He trades chart patterns and shit. Now these ones they like big SLs. They like big SLs in their company. We don't like big SLs. So we just try to we like big SLs. I don't know why I like big SL sharp. The buyer setup that I had on Friday, if I had maybe removed my SL or spread it out, I would have hit SL and price went to my TP before it now pulled back. So isn't big SL self no bad. This this I took this trade. I took this trade. I was setting up for this buy that got to around 4 5 years. Okay. So but then price just came and took out that. I forgot that this has already become the low. Right? It has already become the previous low and price will probably come and sweep it. Hmm? Where? This previous structure.
This middle line that you drew.
This one.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Branch.
On the what time frame is that? Yes. On the 15 minutes, on the 15 minutes might be a buy entry. But price mostly bounces off fair value gaps.
That's okay.
It's a fair value gap. Price mostly bounces off fair value. It's not every time price gets to that OB that you want to take that trade from. But most of the times price just ignores the OB and takes the fair value gap and flies with the fair value gap. But if it comes to the OB, you'd get a cheaper price to take the trade from. So it's all wins at the end of the day. It's all wins at the end of the day. It's all wins at the end of the day. OB, fair value gap. Like I was mentioning earlier, we could take our trade from the OB but most times I don't think I want price to disrespect the fair value gap. It's a fair value gap. Disrespect the fair value gap. Why disrespect the fair value gap, bro? Why? Just why? So we just set our limits. We just set our limits, set our buy limits. It's the same thing. Let's say the same regions and we observe other sets. I think I should put my MT5 on the PC so that I think I should put my MT5 so that I can share. So I can only share that I can only share what I am doing and show the fans that I'm actually setting the limits. Actually setting the buy limits. Not like Not like I'm leaving everybody alone. I'm actually taking my traits. I mean, they are my traits. They are my traits setups. So I mean, go and take them. Plays out, hooray. If it doesn't, ooh la la. I don't know. The screen cannot, with the screen show, you can see my pending orders. Pending orders are there. Yeah, just waiting for execution. If you guys is kind enough to execute them. Anyways, as usual, guys, I'm gonna keep you posted and yeah, adios. We end the stream here for now. Fingers crossed, as usual. Oh, my new broke. Fingers crossed and go again. Right? Right, guys.